Ever wondered why your SimpliSafe camera can't see in the dark? Let's figure out what's going wrong, and how to make it right. If your SimpliSafe camera's night vision isn't working, it usually comes down to just a few things. First, check if the camera's lens is clean. Dust, smudges, or spider webs can block those tiny infrared lights. Grab a soft cloth, give it a gentle wipe, and see if that helps. Next, make sure there's no bright light shining straight at the camera. Too much light can actually confuse the night vision and make everything look dark. Try moving the camera or turning off any lights nearby. Sometimes night vision issues mean it's time for a quick restart. Unplug the camera for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. This can reset the system and fix small glitches. Still not working? Double-check your settings in the SimpliSafe app. Make sure night vision is turned on, not set to off or auto when it should be on. And finally, if nothing works, the problem might be the camera itself. Reach out to SimpliSafe support. They're there to help. So, don't stay in the dark. With these quick checks, your night vision can be up and running again in no time.